Hi, I'm Erin with Best Life Physical Therapy, and I just wanted to make a short video to introduce the concept of using subliminal messages to help us on our way to your recovery. So I have we have forwarded you the link for the mindshift subliminals website. And on the website is, there are a couple steps that you're going to want to take before you can start listening to your subliminal messages that will help you on your healing journey. So once you've created a username and password, you will be shown a screen to purchase the subliminal messages. So after you've completed that screen, what you'll do is you'll go to the next screen, which will give you 3 different boxes, and it'll have several different videos that you'll have to watch before you go ahead and start listening to your subliminal message. The subliminal messages just sound like ocean waves, but inside of those messages are some very important messages for your brain to kind of take in. And when you're listening to those ocean waves, what you're going to want to do is be focusing on what it is you want to heal. So you would be saying things to yourself like, I am healthy, I am strong, I am safe, I'm not in danger, it's going to be okay. The thing I want to heal is fill in the blank. You know, whatever it is that you're working on is what you're going to be focusing on if you're thinking about anything while you're doing the subliminal messages. But you don't have to be thinking about anything at all. You could just be sleeping. Some people put them on while they're asleep. You don't hear the words. All you hear are waves. But before you can even your brain can start using those messages, what you'll need to do is first watch her introduction video, which is what MAP coaching is about. And that's about a 15 or 20 minute video. And then you'll have to set aside some time to where you can do the introductory session. So she focuses in that session on something like most people have a fear of public speaking. So she focuses on public speaking in that session. And so that's what you'll be focused on. And once you do that session, your superconscious will understand the commands that are given to you in the subliminal messages. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy out and write the messages that you'll be receiving on your Wibby. So you'll see that on the Wibby. Your brain will know what the messages are, so that you know I'm not trying to brainwash you or anything, except for we want you to kind of restore that feeling after your session, so that your brain, so after you have a session with us at Best Life, you feel amazing. And so we want to maintain that as your new resting baseline, so that we don't slide backward into those old patterns where we have tension that just develops, because that's just kind of like our habit, because the brain is really strong. It's got really strong connections to these old muscular patterns, and those muscular patterns can actually be the thing that causes the biomechanical dysfunction that you're here for. So that's the reason that we want to try to go ahead and add this to your program at this point in time, is to kind of make a stop in that pattern, so that when you do a session here, we're just going to make forward progress. So that's the reason that we'd like you to go ahead and add this to your program at this time. And of course, if you have questions, you can always ask one of us, and we're happy to talk to you more about it. Or you can also look at the mindshift subliminal website as well for answers to those questions, because there's a great Q&A, frequently asked questions section on that website as well. So good luck with this, and I hope that you decide to do it, and if you do, that it's very helpful for you.